Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to do a 2-column lookup in Excel. So here I have a product list and corresponding size and prices for each product. On top of the list, I've built a small lookup model so that if I pick any product and the corresponding size, I get a formula that calculates the price. So to achieve this, we need to do a 2-column lookup. So we get the price when we assign a product and assign the size. We are going to do this using a combination of two functions, index and match. So index picks the result column, and then match will combine the lookup values to give us a final answer. So we proceed equal to index. So this first part will take the result column, which I select here. If I was copying this down, I would have locked it, but for this purpose, I'll let the range stay as it is. I'll bring my comma and introduce match. So the job of match is to give us the position or the row number of the lookup value. So the lookup value in this case is orange, and so I'll bring this concatenate sign and small, which is the size. So I'm combining the product name and then the size as the lookup value. And after this, I need to show where the lookup value is sitting, that is the orange and the size. So the same way I join these two, I will do it in the same order. So I'll select the range for products and then join it with size in the same order, same height. So this is my lookup value combined, this is my lookup array combined. I'll bring my comma and I choose 0 for exact match. I'll close the bracket for match and I'll close the bracket for index. Now, this in most versions of Excel is an array formula. So instead of your regular enter to get your result, you need to press Ctrl, Shift and enter to give you the final result. If you are using the current version of Excel, Office 365, or in some cases 2019 version, you can press a direct enter and you'll be fine. So here, if we test for a medium orange, the price goes up to 1018. We can confirm it over here. So any combination of product and size will now give you the right price. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please visit, click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching.